Hi, welcome to my page. I decided to do my website on based off of elementary education resources that will be helpful for my future classroom. This is the home page. Down here at the bottom, it has a tech blog, contact me, and latest revised. And then here at the top right, it has tabs that consist of drop-down menus. We'll go to those in a second. Down here, if we click on tech blog, it brings us right to my technology page. Consists of technology posts, reviews, and updates. So here is that. If we click contact me, it brings me to my email so you can easily contact me. Let's go here at the top, about me. It's just a page, a little about myself, and a picture here. The things I enjoy. Classroom supply list. This was my teacher's choice page. I decided to do it on the classroom supply list. So here's my page, required materials, optional materials for my future classroom. For resources, we click on resources. Here's a list of good educational resources and games that would benefit in a classroom. So here, if we click, for example, ABC YA, it goes right to the website, and it has videos, games, all that. And then here's our drop-down menu. So if I click games, here's just some more games, educational games. Language arts, social studies, math, each subject has its own games and helpful resources. Down here at the bottom, the Web 2.0. These are 3 different websites, web pages that have helpful tools to use for collaboration and organization for, let's say, my future classroom. So if you click on just each one, it'll bring you right to the website. Here, for technology projects, here's my page for my Google presentation. It's a little slideshow PowerPoint that is easy to use. And then we also have another slideshow with elementary education involved. So here's a view of that. Then if we go down, we have digital story that we used with iMovie. It was created with iMovie, and I did mine on Reasons for the Season. So this would be helpful in the future classroom to engage your students. And then here we have the PLN and PLE. And it explains what personal learning network and personal learning environment is. And down here we have categories, 4 categories, blogs, curation tools, microblogs, and webinars. And we have here the purpose, examples, and how to use the resource. So let's click on a web page, and it brings you to the web page and what it is and why it's useful. So each one, let's go to, say, the curation tool. Click on it, and it brings you right to DIGO, our evaluation tool. So for each one, we have that under PLN. So now we have the website evaluation. So I evaluated starfall.com, which was a helpful website. And lastly, we have the Apple Teacher badges. I have earned all these badges, and now I am an Apple certified teacher. And that is my website.